Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Breaking out of loops in JavaScript, a comprehensive guide. Looping through arrays is a fundamental operation in JavaScript. Often, you need to interrupt the loop execution before it completes, either because you've found what you were looking for, encountered an error, or met a certain condition. JavaScript provides several ways to break out of loops, and understanding them is crucial for efficient and clean code. This tutorial will cover various techniques, including the break statement, the return statement within a function, and alternatives like using higher-order array methods. 1. The break statement, immediate loop termination. The break statement is the most straightforward way to terminate a loop. When encountered within a for, while, or do, while loop, it immediately stops the loop's execution.